Let's begin on jobs and get your review of what we've just seen unfold in the United States. 209,000 is, okay, a little softer than expected, but a July rate hike still very much on the table. I think the bigger question, though, is what happens after July, with investors also looking ahead to the latest inflation print stateside. Walk me through how you see it playing out.
Dan, I think you've got it spot on. There was enough numbers, and this is a data-dependent Fed, for clearly 25 basis points this coming Fed meeting. And they'll be watching CPI, which comes out on Wednesday. I think everybody's expecting further indications the Fed will move 25, and the debate, as you rightly point out, is there indications that we've done enough to stamp out that particularly difficult part of core ex food and energy piece of CPI. That's where people's attention is. Still think it may take more than just this 25 basis points, but that's the step that everybody expects to be taken.
When it comes to market positioning, it's been called the most hated bull market in history, right? Walk me through how you see the equity positioning playing out here, and do you think stocks stateside look stretched as we come into Q2 earnings season?
You have to be worried about stocks being stretched in the very strong first quarter that everybody's had. It seems to be the market that everybody loves to hate, but still keeps on going. The Fed is also looking at that, let's be honest. And, they're going to take advantage of a strong stock market and the fact that they've successfully sort of gotten the banking crisis behind them. So I think that's also, there's nothing that doesn't give the Fed the room to make a move. I do think we're cautious about stocks having the strong move, and we sort of think buying into things like, private credit, given where rates are and given the uncertainty in the sort of cycle that the U.S. companies are in, the private credit is a really interesting place to be. But stocks have had a great run, and I think people should be cognizant that the valuations are steep.